How to access Telegram downloaded files on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any chat from here. As you can see, this contact has shared a file with you in this chat. Tap on it to open the file. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the share icon. Tap on the share icon again as shown. You can find all the sharing options available over here. Scroll down and tap on Save to Files. Then, tap on Save again. Now, go back and open up the Files app. Go to the folder where you just saved the file. You can now find and view the file from here. Following these steps, you can easily access Telegram downloaded files on iPhone.